Boy, me no know where to start with that one, yeah. With Shensia to blood clot. Yo, me no like that video, yeah. Me no like the song. She have some raunchy gay thing I go on with another girl night. And I talk about Finiam front and all sort of thing I go on. Yo, I am gonna break this down. I don't know what has dancehall gone to. Yo, she have the LGBT color. Like she curious when me am some rare. Me I say fire burn pon that song ya, yo. Yo, me can't believe say that girl ya sign deal with them big time executive. One boy where they are Canada and deal with Dre and him they America too. And this are how she make them change her fucking music. Now she a talk about curiosity in this song, yeah. She and the girl are gonna link up. Them are gonna do this, nyam that, whatever. Yo, I think this is a big disgrace. Yo, them a push the gay agenda in the business. You understand? I don't know if she was trying to be like a cross between Rihanna and Spice. I don't know if that's what she's trying to do. To be frank, me no like none of that girl song. The best song she ever do are the one with Boss her, where Vybz Kartel Boss her. You understand? And to me, the girl will sing Walking Trophy for her tune way bigger than Sentia tune. You understand? But listen, I don't understand what's going on. This girl come out with a raunchy, dirty, gay, lesbian video with a bunch of girl. Them look like Walking Dead to bombard. And me can't believe Shensia make them batty boy gay producer them in a Hollywood or wherever she there, and them gay music producer make she put out something like this for her career. I want to know what you guys think about this. Listen, me did have to talk about this. Boy, with that said, we done with this now. But yo, Shensia, me can't believe you make the record label them corrupt you like that. You understand? It's a shame and disgrace. Yo, I want to know what y'all think about this. Leave some comment below. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Why, Shensia, shame on you.